Hi guys, welcome to Scene YouTube channel. Today, we are going to look at the most popular mobile OS in the world. Number 1. Android. Android is the most popular operating system in the world, with over 2.5 billion active users spanning over 190 countries. It is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of the Linux kernel and other open-source software, designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android is developed by a consortium of developers known as the Open Handset Alliance and commercially sponsored by Google. It was unveiled in November 2007, with the first commercial Android device, the HTC Dream, being launched in September 2008. The first Android version like 1.0 was released in the year 2008, but it didn't have any codename. The latest Android version 11 was released recently on September 8, 2020. Number 2. iOS. iOS is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc. exclusively for its hardware. An estimated 1 billion active uses in the worldwide. It is the operating system that powers many of the company's mobile devices, including the iPhone and iPod Touch. The term also included the versions running on iPads until the name iPadOS was introduced with version 13 in 2019. It is the world's second most widely installed mobile operating system, after Android. It is the basis for 3 other operating systems made by Apple: iPadOS, tvOS, and watchOS. It is proprietary software, although some parts of it are open source under the Apple Public Source License and other licenses. First-generation iPhone unveiled in 2007, iOS has since been extended to support other Apple devices such as the iPod Touch, which introduced in September 2007, and the iPad, which introduced January 2010. As 2021, the Apple App Store was the second largest app store with roughly 2.22 million available apps for iOS. These mobile apps have collectively been downloaded more than 130 billion times. Major versions of iOS are released annually. The current stable version, iOS 15, was released to the public on September 20, 2021. Number 3. Harmony OS. It is a distributed operating system developed by Huawei to run on multiple devices. The latest report shows that Harmony OS now has well over 120 million users. In a multi-kernel design, the operating system selects suitable kernels from the abstraction layer for devices with diverse resources. For smartphones and IoT devices, the system is known to be based on Light OS, while for smartphones and tablets, it is based on a Linux kernel and has used the open-source Android code to support running Android apps, in addition to Harmony OS apps. The system includes a communication-based D-Softbus for integrating physically separate devices into a virtual super device, allowing one device to control others and sharing data among devices with distributed communication capabilities. It supports several forms of apps, including the apps that can be installed from App Gallery on smartphones and tablets, installation-free quick apps, and lightweight atomic services accessible by users. Harmony OS was first used in Honor Smart TVs in August 2019 and later used in Huawei smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches in June 2021. Number 4. KaiOS. KaiOS is a mobile operating system based on Linux for keypad feature phones. It is developed by KaiOS Technologies Limited, a company based in Hong Kong. Over 100 million devices worldwide are now running KaiOS, with largest shareholder being Chinese multinational electronics conglomerate TCL Corporation. KaiOS is forked from B2G OS, an open-source community-driven fork of Firefox OS, which was discontinued by Mozilla in 2016. The primary features of KaiOS bring support for 4G LTE, VoLTE, GPS, and Wi-Fi, with HTML5-based apps and longer battery life to non-touchscreen devices with optimized user interface, less memory and energy consumption. Number 5. Ubuntu Touch. Ubuntu Touch is a mobile version of the Ubuntu operating system, being developed by the UPorts community, and estimates that there are 25 million Ubuntu users worldwide. Its user interface is written in Qt and is designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers, but the original goal of convergence was intended to bring Ubuntu Touch to laptops, desktops, IoT devices, TVs and smartwatches for a complete unified user experience. The project was started by Canonical Limited, but Mark Shuttleworth announced that Canonical would terminate support due to lack of market interest on April 5, 2017. It was then adopted by Uports as a community project. The Uports project was seeded by Marius Gripsgaard in 2015, and the source code was transferred to the Uports Foundation where it now resides. Uports' mission is to support the collaborative development of Ubuntu Touch and to promote its widespread use. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.